If you're having trouble finding the Facebook app in your App Store, there could be several reasons behind this issue. One common reason is that the app might not be available in your region due to restrictions. Sometimes, social media platforms like Facebook may face regulatory challenges in certain countries, leading to the app being temporarily or permanently unavailable. Another potential issue could be device compatibility. If your phone's operating system is outdated or not supported, the App Store might not show Facebook as available for download. Always ensure your device is running the latest version of its operating system to avoid this issue. It's also possible that the app has been temporarily removed from the store for updates or bug fixes. In such cases, the app is usually restored once the necessary updates are complete. If this happens, you can try checking the App Store later or visit Facebook's official website for more information. Lastly, issues related to your App Store account could be the cause. Sometimes, App Store settings, account restrictions, or parental controls may block certain apps from being displayed. Double-check your settings to ensure there are no restrictions preventing Facebook from showing up. If none of these reasons seem to apply, it's a good idea to search online or visit forums for any ongoing issues specific to your region or device.